Hi everyone, welcome to Cinema Space 4K. Today I'm going to unbox two products. One is Ambrane RWP M20 USB wall adapter and the other one is URBN 65W Type-C to Type-C cable. You can see the features of the wall adapter and the Type-C to Type-C cable written in the box. I purchased these two products for charging my Sony Xperia XZ3, which accepts only USB power delivery for fast charging, and this phone accepts up to 18 watts, so I gone overkill and bought a 20W charger. Let us first unbox the first product. This is our first product, Ambrane 20W USB PD charger. Let us take it out. This looks very tiny in my opinion. The model number is RWP M20 and there is a USB Type-C port only. There are some signs of usage and some scratches in the charger itself. I had the similar experience with other Ambrane chargers too, so it's not a surprise. There's also a small card in this. This card has some info, but I was expecting another card. Let me show you. So this is my old charger. This is the RWP H11 charger, which has dual USB ports. And with that charger, there was a card with a photo of Disha and an autograph. It is now gone in the new charger. I don't know why this photo is not there in this new charger. Let us unbox the next product. This is our URBN 65W USB-C to USB-C cable. Let us take it out. This is our cable. This cable is of 5 feet and it is built very good, I would say. But some users have complained about the flexing of the USB-C connector in some reviews. I also experienced some of these issues. Be careful and take advantage of any return policy. The cable is nylon braided, which is a good thing. And it's also very good quality in construction, as I can feel. This is my old charger, which is a Micromax 5W charger, and even though the Ambrane charger is 20 watts, it's not that bigger compared to the 5W charger. Let us test the charger on the cable. It shows just charging, no fast charging symbol on Xperia XZ3. But if you have a new Xperia smartphone like Xperia 5 or Xperia 1 series, then in the battery settings, the phone will show charging rapidly like Google Pixel devices. That's my unboxing and overview of the Ambrane 20W USB PD adapter and URBN 65W USB PD cable. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.